Good morning, you beautiful people. So, I'm going to go meet some of the LA vegans today. I'm just waiting for the Uber. I'm going to go to Purgatory Pizza. They've been super kind and invited me out with the gang, so I'm really looking forward to this. Uber just showed up, said, sorry bro, you need to go to the bathroom. I'm going to cancel the trip. Why didn't you cancel the trip before you got here, bro? Stop wasting my time. Here with the gang. About to eat these tasty babies right here. What have we got?
This is the buffalo cauliflower from Purgatory Pizza.
Vegan ranch.
Vegan ranch.
And vegan
so
ranch.
good.
Okay, they looked after me today. I was just like, order whatever you want. We can dig in. This is how the gang out here do. Look at this.
That's hilarious.
So good. That's what it's all about. You gotta get them shots in. So just finished up at Purgatory Pizza, and Heather dropped me off in the art district. Those guys are just so nice, so beautiful, lovely people. But yeah, I'm gonna have a wander around the art district to see what kind of trouble I can get myself into. It's literally so random. I'm just not sure if it's like what they do every Sunday or it's like a festival or what, because it just doesn't seem to have any logic to it. I just don't know what the theme is. It's cool though, it's nice.
Hay para encontrar, solamente hay que buscar, además saber hablar, un poquito hay que gastar, apiadecer.
So you might watch that and thought, yeah, cool, but that's like half a day, dude. What did you do for the rest of the day? Well, I got back from that taxi ride and I set my alarm for 2 hours and I woke up about 7 or 8 hours later. Jet lag got me. So I basically got up, did a little bit of work, and then started putting this together. And then kind of tried to nap a little bit again until this morning. But such an awesome day yesterday. Meeting Jasmine, Chris, and Heather was really, really awesome. And Heather bought me these. She bought these with her, which she makes. Madame Sugar cookies. Oh my lord, they're amazing. I think I've eaten 3 already. So good, super tasty. I've got 2 different types here, but the other one is a white chocolate chip and macadamia nut, and that's my favorite. That is my favorite cookie of all time anyway, and she makes them and they're bomb. So, they're awesome. Check out all them guys, I'll put their links below. And thank you very much for watching. Today's gonna be absolutely awesome actually. I've got a right mission on my hands. But be nice to each other, and goodbye.